Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about building a race van stroke camper van for when you're out and about on track doing your racing, etc, etc. Now we're going to use my van as an example because when me, the wife and the father-in-law built my van, we took pictures step by step because it's always good to see the progress that you've done. Now we found it a cheaper option to buy a van and then convert it ourselves rather than going out buying a camper van or motorhome or somebody else's van that they've converted themselves, because you'll find that people will convert a van, use it for a couple of years, sell it, and they will sell it for more than what it stands them at. So if we can help you guys do your van, because a lot of people don't know how to do it from scratch to finish. So let's get into it. We hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the other end of the video. So guys, as you can see, we opted for a Renault Master van that used to be a builder's van. Now we started off by completely stripping out the van, the racking, side, the floors, everything, give it a good clean and treated anything that needed treating. Now these are galvanised bodies, so there is no rust on them. Now once it were all stripped out, we started with the sound deadening, small squares across all the panels throughout the van, and then we put the battens down on the floor to start marking up for the floor, and as you can see we weighted that down overnight so it all stuck nice and securely. We've got the 25mm king span in, which sits nice and flush with your battens, topped off with some foil tape, then followed by the 18mm marine ply for the floor, and we treated that with an extra layer of waterproofing. We sent the van away for the roof vents and the window to be fitted, and then we finished the floor off with some sticky back lino tiles. The bed is actually from IKEA, so you can just buy that in, it's adjustable and it goes to the battens on the side of the van. And then we started to mark out and build the seating area, which does double over as an extra bed. And then we followed that up by doing the insulation, which we used the recyclable rolled insulation. Really good and effective insulation as well. We then, a couple of finishing touches with the rubber matting on the side step and some gold trimming, and then the kitchen area is actually from IKEA, so it's a general household kitchen, fits really nice in the van, really easy to put together. We boxed in over the wheel arch there because that's where some of the electrics was going to attach, and the foam for the seating area was just from some online store. Then we did get some material to cover that. As you can see now, the side panels are going in on the wall. This is just a composite plastic which clips together like laminate. Really nice finish, easy to clean, durable and flexible. And then you can see some of the wiring poking out ready for the insulation, and the seating area is now covered and in place. One of the kitchen worktops is gone on, and we've got the Kingspan 25mm on the ceiling as well as insulation. So both sides are on now with the wall. Like I say, screws in really nice to the batten and clips together really well. The kitchen hob is actually from B&Q, and the sink is from eBay, just a small caravan sink. We finished the front of the van off with a little bonnet bar just for some aesthetics, and the reading lights and USB chargers are just off Amazon, along with the tap, which I think was off Amazon as well if I remember rightly. We finished the side of the van off with some wind deflectors, and the ceiling is the same plastic composite just with some silver striping in, and the lights are just off Amazon as well. We used a stretchable fabric maquette for the rear doors to cover over the 3mm ply we used, and that's an image of it with it shut. Finishes really well. Be sure not to cover over the seals because it won't create a good enough seal and it will leak in. The bed's in place now and it's actually starting to take shape really well. Very functional, somewhere to sit if it's raining outside, and again that does double over as a bed as well. Curtain, just pull it to, bit of privacy if you are just staying somewhere overnight. We do have a full cover that goes around the front of the van as well. Finishing touches there, smoke alarm, pictures, fire extinguisher, fire blanket, all the essentials you really need. The van again is very, very functional, basically a full-on camper van more than a race van. suits our needs, really easy to do. You'll really enjoy doing it. Good sense of achievement that you've built it yourself. Underneath in the garage area, some of the electrics to the side, the wiring's a lot tidy now compared to what it is there. We've maquetted all over the 3mm ply, makes it look a lot more comfortable and warm. Toolboxes in there, it's completely different now. We've rejigged the back, but all the wheels fit in nicely and finished off with a Team Cam sticker. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the little montage of images from start to finish and how we've done our van. Obviously it's not going to be to everyone's liking and taste. You could tailor that to your own needs and taste, but it suits us, and it suits us that well that we have been around Europe in our van, travelling, been to Italy, Switzerland, France, Belgium, Luxembourg. Absolutely fantastic time, and it works. We go to all different personal events as well, like watching touring cars and other things. And it is so functional, and it's totally off-grid as well. So the next video that we're going to be doing, guys, is going to be episode 3 of the little series, which is going to be all about sponsorship, which I'm hoping is going to be the important one to you guys, because that can make your motorsport journey possible with the help of sponsorship. So please, if you did enjoy the video, drop it a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.